If you've either been living under a rock for the past few years or have been hesitant to join the addicting app, but now wondering if TikTok is right for you, you are in the right place. All jokes aside, we are taking it back to the basics for this one and walking through a step-by-step how to set up your TikTok account, the TikTok features, and how to record and upload your first ever TikTok video. It's true, it can be intimidating for a few different reasons. There's a lot of content on this app, and if you're a business or a creator that is trying to compete in this market, it can be super difficult. Or if you're just wanting to join to watch, trying to find content that interests you can also be a challenge. But don't worry, because after watching this video, you will feel set up for success to use the TikTok app. So, shall we get into it? Hello Metro Coolers, my name is Robert and I'm back to discuss what is going on in the social media world. First things first, grab your phone and download the TikTok app because we are going to create your profile on the social network. After downloading the app, tap on register and sign up either with your phone number or your email. Enter the email address you want to register your account with and choose a password, and then you're in. Welcome to TikTok. Now let's take a tour through the app and see the different features that are available. When you enter TikTok, you'll be directed to the home page and you will see that there are two different feeds. The magic of TikTok is found in the For You feed, where TikTok will suggest videos based on your interests and preferences. As you continue to use the app and interact with the content that you like, the algorithm will learn what you like so it can continue to recommend the content that you enjoy. The other feed is the Following feed, where you'll find all the content from those accounts that you follow. On the left, you will see a button titled Live, and that's where you can view all the live videos happening at that moment. To the right, you will see a magnifying glass where you can search for any type of content, whether that be topics or users. TikTok will also suggest any content that is based on your interests and trending topics in your region. Okay, let's continue on. Next to the home page is the Friends tab, where you will find all the content from those accounts you follow and other account recommendations. To the right of this tab, you will see a plus symbol where you can upload your videos to TikTok, but we will explain this in depth later in the video. Then you will see the inbox, where you can find all the notifications from the app. In this tab, you can see who has messaged you, liked your post, commented on your posts, other suggestions, and more. And lastly, the Profile tab is the last button in the bottom menu. Inside of here, there are a few different sections. The first is Your Feed, where all the TikToks that you posted will appear. This is also the first thing that another user will see when entering your profile. The next one with the lock icon is all of the videos that you've recorded but decided to keep in private mode, and these videos are only available to you. The Center tab is the Repost tab, and just like Twitter or now X, you have the option to repost videos on TikTok, and other users can see your reposts as well. The next two tabs are also only visible to you. The first one is the Save tab, where you can save sounds, effects, videos, etc. The next tab is the Likes tab. This is where you'll find all the content that you may have liked. At the top of your profile page, you also have a few other options. The first is to generate and share a QR code that others can scan, or you can share this on your other social networks. To the right of your username, you will see 2 feet, and this is where you can see your profile views within the last 30 days, and you have the option to turn this on and off. Depending on the type of account you may have, whether it's a personal account or business account, you may also see a calendar instead of the 2 feet, and in the calendar, you can see any upcoming live events that you may have. Next to this, you will see the 3 lines at the top of your profile, and this is where you can access your creator tools and settings. If you are a brand, company, or content creator and you want to position yourself on the network, we recommend switching your profile to a professional account. This gives you access to specific features such as the analytics panel, where you can analyze the performance of all your videos. With a business account, you can also run ads and add links into the description to direct users to your website or your shop. And changing the account type is also super easy. Inside of the app, click on the 3-line icon at the top right of your screen, and then click on Settings, and then Privacy, and then press Account, and then switch your account to a business account. After clicking through all the information about a business account, your account will be changed automatically. Now that you are familiar with the network, let's get into the fine-tuning of your account. This is not only important for the aesthetics of your account, but also for users to resonate with your profile. And above all, for you to position your account on the app. First, we're going to talk about how to create a username. This is the name that will not only accompany your account, but this name will also allow users to find you. So if you have any other social media accounts, we recommend using the same username so it's the same across the board. Or if you're creating one from scratch, choose a simple username that is easy to remember and that is associated with your personal brand or your professional brand. Next, let's talk about profile picture. They should be recognizable and either the same as your other social media platforms or represent your personal or professional brand. Let's continue on with the description or the bio of your page. This is a space where you can explain what your account is about or what content you'll be creating. Here, I recommend adding a few words to summarize the type of content that you'll be creating. If you are a marketer, you can add marketing, consulting, and social media advice, for example. If you have a business account, you can only add one link into the description. So with this one link, you need to be super strategic on what you want to put there. And that could be your website, your blog, your Amazon storefront, etc. Or you can use tools like Metricool Smart Links, where you can add multiple links to pages in one link. If you want to learn more about Metricool Smart Links, I will leave a link in the description for you to look at. Okay, so now that you know how to optimize your profile, what do you say we give your first video a shot? To record or upload content, click on the plus button in the center of the bottom menu. You have the option to record from 15 seconds to up to 10 minutes. You can record your video in several shots or all at once. To record, simply press on the red button, and to stop it, press the red button again. It is recommended that you record your TikToks vertically, although you can record horizontally. You can also add videos from your camera roll by uploading them from here. After your video is recorded, it's now time to edit it. On the right side, you have a number of options, including changing the speed, visual effects, adding text, using filters, or adding a sound. The opportunities here are endless, so have fun with it and play around with all the different options. After you edited your video to your liking, it is now time to add a caption and any other related hashtags. This will provide information to the algorithm so your content can be positioned not only on TikTok, but as well on Google. Yes, Metrocooler, TikTok is a search engine in itself. I'll leave a video here to explain how SEO on TikTok works. Okay, returning to the video now. All that's left to do is some final touches. Before posting, remember to look at the preview to check if everything is good to go, and then all you have to do is press publish. And that's it. Your first video is now published to TikTok. As you may know, you don't have to directly record your videos in TikTok. You can upload them from your photo gallery. You can also use other apps like CapCut or InShot and upload them into TikTok. If you want a video from us explaining how to edit your TikToks, both inside and outside of the app, let us know in the comments. Well, Metrocooler, goal achieved. You are now a part of TikTok. Now it's your time to give it a go and upload content that will attract new followers. And if you are looking to grow on this social network, understanding how it works is key. Take a look at this video, which explains key data on how the TikTok algorithm works after we analyzed almost over 2 million videos. And remember to give us some love by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. And of course, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you next time, Metrocoolers.